Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and I'm going to be showing you how you can save Snapchat photo to your gallery. Let's say that you have taken a picture and you want your picture that you have taken on your Snapchat to be saved on your gallery at the same time. Then what you can do is you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, before getting started, make sure to update your Snapchat application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So then open up your Snapchat application. As you open up your Snapchat application, this is what the interface is going to look like. After that, in the bottom left corner, there is an icon. Just simply tap on it. You can see that these are the pictures that you have taken on your Snapchat. Now let's say that I want to save this particular image on my gallery. So all you have to do is open up or just tap on it. And once you tap on it, in the top right corner, tap on the three dot icon. After that, you have a drop down menu. So from there, you'll have to tap on export or send snap, and once you do that, now you'll be able to send it as a snap as well. And in order to save it, you can see there is an option as share to. Just swipe towards the left hand side, and then you have an arrow icon right in the end. Just tap on it, and now your Snapchat photo has been saved to your gallery. So in order to check whether it has been saved or not, just head back to your home screen and then open up your gallery. You can see that this is the particular Snapchat photo that I wanted to save it on my gallery. You can see that it has been saved to my gallery. So that is how you can save Snapchat photos to your gallery on your device. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.